Why should you repurpose old content? So think of it like you have a megaphone and you're in front of an audience. The audience is just there, like chilling, you know. You can talk to them. If you stop talking to them, they'll just listen to the other guy. I mean, they're just there to listen to someone talk. Then, do you have content? Well, it's hard to like produce content nonstop. I mean, I found an easier way by doing a podcast and also answering questions that I know people are Googling. But still, I mean, at some point you might be like traveling, you don't have time, you don't have anything to say. Maybe your content is very hard to record and you don't have like your cameras and everything. Then that's a great opportunity for you to repurpose your content and then find some old content that you publish. Maybe you didn't create a short out of that content. Create a short. Doesn't require that much work. Put it in a thing. I want to create a short. Hey, chat GPT, I want to create a short. Create a short. You'll find a way. And then just publish that on social media. And shorts, they get like a few views and then nothing. But those few views that you will get, maybe you'll get a subscribers there. Maybe if you're doing affiliate marketing, you'll get a sale. So I would say that repurposing content is now, that's the game. Because whether the people are on Snapchat or TikTok or whatever, like, why do you care? Just reach out to every social media platform that you can. And then that's it. If people there are watching your content, they're watching your content, and then you'll get what you want down the road, which is, well, I mean, I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you're like me, you want to figure out how to do a little money while traveling. And for that, you need an audience. So I would guess that, like, if you cannot produce content on a daily basis, then just take old content and repurpose it and just publish it on other platforms.